Science is the backbone of every medicine you take. Before a pill reaches your hand, scientists must know exactly what's in it and how it works. Analytical chemistry is the field that makes this possible, using high-tech tools to analyze every ingredient. It's not just about mixing chemicals, it's about ensuring safety, effectiveness, and stability. Every medicine is tested, measured, and verified at every step. The result? A tiny pill packed with powerful, reliable science. So next time you take medicine, remember, it's science, not magic, that makes it work. Science rules. Making a medicine starts with a blueprint, preformulation. Scientists study a new drug's solubility, stability, and physical form to decide how best to deliver it. If a drug doesn't dissolve well, they find ways to improve it or design special delivery systems. Preformulation helps predict problems and design solutions before full-scale production. It's about making smart choices early, so the final medicine is safe, effective, and consistent. This careful planning is the foundation of every great medicine. Preformulation, the smart start for every pill. How do scientists ensure that the medications we rely on are not only effective, but also safe? How can they be certain that a drug is pure, unadulterated, and will remain stable over time, maintaining its therapeutic properties? Enter differential scanning calorimetry, or DSC, a powerful analytical technique that provides critical insights into the thermal behavior of materials, especially pharmaceuticals. DSC works by meticulously heating a tiny sample of the drug substance. This sample, often just a few milligrams, is carefully prepared and placed within the DSC instrument. As the temperature increases, DSC precisely measures how much energy the sample absorbs or releases as it undergoes physical transformations, such as melting, crystallization, or other phase transitions. A pure drug, with its uniform molecular structure, exhibits a sharp and well-defined melting point on the DSC graph, indicating a consistent and predictable thermal behavior. However, the presence of even small amounts of impurities can disrupt this uniformity, causing the melting peak to become broader and lower, signaling a potential issue with the drug's quality. Beyond purity, DSC also reveals whether a drug exists in a crystalline form, with an ordered molecular arrangement, or as an amorphous material, lacking long-range order. This is key because the crystalline or amorphous nature significantly impacts how the drug dissolves in the body, ultimately affecting its absorption and overall effectiveness. By analyzing the DSC data, scientists can predict how a drug will behave under different conditions, allowing them to optimize its formulation and ensure consistent performance. This predictive capability is invaluable during manufacturing, helping to maintain product quality, and during storage, ensuring the drug remains stable and effective throughout its shelf life. DSC plays a vital role in quality control, where every batch of medication undergoes rigorous testing to verify its purity, stability, and overall quality. It's a crucial step in the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring that the medicine you receive is not only safe for consumption, but also delivers the intended therapeutic benefits. DSC. Feeling the heat so you can have better medicine. X-ray diffraction, often abbreviated as XRD, is a powerful analytical technique. It allows scientists to peer into the microscopic world and see how drug molecules are arranged, revealing their spatial relationships and organization. This arrangement determines whether a substance is crystalline, with a highly ordered structure, or amorphous, lacking long-range order. The fundamental principle of XRD involves shooting X-rays at a sample. These high-energy electromagnetic waves interact with the atoms within the material. The way they scatter or diffract reveals the internal structure, providing a unique fingerprint of the material's atomic arrangement. Crystalline drugs, with their repeating atomic lattices, show sharp, well-defined, unique patterns. These patterns are like a barcode for each specific crystal structure. In contrast, amorphous ones, lacking long-range order, look broad and fuzzy, indicating a more disordered arrangement of molecules. Why does this matter so much in the world of pharmaceuticals? Different crystal forms of the same drug molecule, also known as polymorphs, can dramatically change how a drug dissolves in the body and consequently how effectively it works. Therefore, XRD plays a crucial role in ensuring that every batch of medication has the right intended crystal structure. This consistency is paramount for achieving consistent therapeutic results and patient outcomes. It's absolutely vital, therefore, for both quality control and ensuring the safety of the medications we rely on. During the complex manufacturing process, XRD is used to continuously check for any unwanted or unexpected changes in the crystal form of the active pharmaceutical ingredient. By utilizing XRD, pharmaceutical scientists can confidently guarantee that your medicine is built on a solid, reliable, and well-characterized foundation. Structure fundamentally matters, and XRD provides the definitive proof of that structure, ensuring the efficacy and safety of your medications. To see the tiny details in medicines, scientists use electron microscopes, SEM and TEM. SEM scans a sample surface, revealing the shape and texture of drug particles. TEM looks inside, showing the internal structure, crucial for advanced medicines like nanoparticles. Add EDX, and scientists can map out which elements are present and where. These tools help confirm purity, spot impurities, and see how ingredients mix. By visualizing the microscopic world, scientists solve problems before they reach the patient. SEM, TEM, and EDX, the ultimate tools for seeing and understanding the small stuff. Tiny details, big impact. FTIR, or Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy, is a powerful analytical technique. It allows scientists to essentially listen to the vibrations of molecules, providing valuable insights into their structure and composition. Each molecule vibrates in a unique way, and FTIR reveals these vibrations, creating what we call their unique chemical fingerprints. This fingerprint is like a molecular signature, specific to that compound. The process involves shining infrared light on a sample. As the light passes through, certain frequencies are absorbed by the molecules. By analyzing which frequencies are absorbed, FTIR shows which bonds are present within the molecule. For example, we can identify the presence of C equals sign O or OH bonds. This information is crucial in the pharmaceutical industry, as FTIR can quickly determine if the drug is pure and free from contaminants. It's an essential tool for confirming the identity of the drug, ensuring that the correct compound is being used in the medication. FTIR is also vital for checking for any signs of breakdown or unwanted reactions that may occur over time, affecting the drug's efficacy. Furthermore, FTIR can detect if a drug interacts with other ingredients in a formulation, which is critical for ensuring safety and effectiveness. This ensures compatibility between all components and contributes to the overall stability of the drug product. Regular FTIR checks throughout the drug development and manufacturing process help determine appropriate storage conditions and predict shelf life. Alongside techniques like DSC, which measures thermal properties, XRD, which provides information about the crystalline structure, and electron microscopy, which allows for high-resolution imaging, FTIR completes the comprehensive analytical toolkit necessary for developing safe and effective medicines. Every test, every scan, every spectrum, it all contributes to a deeper understanding of the drug's properties and behavior. This rigorous scientific approach ensures that your medicine is reliable, consistent, and of the highest quality. Good vibrations, leading to great medicine and improved health outcomes.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.